Hi, welcome to Basic Chords Introduction. You just passed this basic scales, congratulations. Now we're moving on to the chords. And after the chords, it's going to be the arpeggios. Now, chords are much easier to play than scales. Scales, we played them 50 times up and down the keyboard. Chords, we're only going to play 25 times. And also, chords repeat. They have all the same positioning, and they all very similar. If you complete the first 2 or 3 videos, the rest 9 or 10 videos are going to be pretty easy to follow up. In this basic chords section, we're going to look at major chords and minor chords. This is the foundation of the chords, the most basic we can get. And in the intermediate section, we're going to be looking at wide major, wider minor. We're going to go look at major 7 and minor 7. In the advanced section, we're going to go even into more complex chords, which is going to be the major 7th, the diminished, the half diminished, the augmented. Now, you have just completed the scales, and we're doing the chords right now. And I'm really excited to show you the chords of C, which is going to be in the next video. Let's move on.